So today is dit some Karoo Dorper day. Check net daarso, né? In the Metcon on the counter, a full audience. And my sussie Duckers is sleeping again. He sleeps his life. Alingie Duckers slaap sy lewe om. Ah, he's resting, says he. So those that know, they will know where this place is. Drop a comment if you know where this place is, né? So nou gaan ons spitbraai. We call this a spitbraai, but I'll show you. There's the spit for the Metcon, and of course everything available in the online shop, né? So let's do that some Karoo Dorper. So let's check this Johnny out. Moerse moer. Check hierdie Karoo dit some Johnny. Man, and all we put on was some salt, some pepper, and some sour lemon sauce. Yeah. Kyk hoe sit hulle. Waiting. En hier gaan dit lekker. Frikkie, hier gaan dit lekker my broer. Lekker by die see.